Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, we will be reviewing American Tourister 78cm trolley bag with TSA lock actually. So you can see the box has arrived. So we will be doing the unboxing as well as complete review of this particular product actually. Okay, so let's open it. Yeah, you can see that the packing is really good. There is a polythene material also given there. So let's take it out and see how it looks like. I'm gonna show you how smooth it rotates actually. It rotates so smooth and all. There is less noise. So I'm just pushing it away. You can see how smooth this particular thing is moving. So after removing the packaging, you can see how it looks like. Okay, the height is also quite good, around 30cm height is there, 1 feet, and the length is 78cm. Okay, I have to verify it is from bottom of this wheel or it is from here, the actual 78cm. Okay, and another important stuff is it looks really good. It premium finish and even flexible also there, so it will absorb maximum shocks and even it's adjust in difficult places. And here you can see the branding is here. Virat Kohli is the brand ambassador, I guess. And here you can see the price of the thing, 8,800, but you will get in a very good discounted price in the video description. I have provided the link. There is a discount is going on this particular model, and 3 years worldwide warranty also you are getting with this product. So if you are an international travel or student or anyone, so you can get it serviced internationally. That is the best thing I can say about it. And inside that they will be mentioning about the quality testing and some history about all the American Tourister. You can pause the video and see that the quality testing is really good because it's an international brand. So this is about this. And here you can see the handle. It's a flexible handle actually. You can see that. Okay, like a rubber feeling will be here. And here I'll just show you. Let me lift it. This is the extension handle. So all you have to do is that just press it. Okay, and there is, I think this is the maximum extension you can get it from there because it's already having a good height, so you can easily manage. You can see the height of this particular thing. Okay, and there is a 360-degree wheels also provided here. You can see that it's very smooth, very comfortable, and even the sound is also very less actually. You can't hear any sound if it is a good surface. And here you can see there are like good texturing is given, like a car grill or something I can say. Here is the American Tourister thing. Here you can put the nameplate option is there. All you have to do that, you have to pull it and you have to mention your name, address, phone number or email ID. So in case you miss it, and this is really cool, you can just close it, so it automatically save that. There are 2 cushion points are given, and side legs are very important for your luggage when you place it horizontally. So there are side legs provided, that is a good protection. And here also a zip covering is given. It's a very premium finish. Okay, so here let me put this down, and you can see everywhere the American Tourister branding is there. It looks so good and premium, that I can say about that. Even the zip quality also, it is really good. Now we are going to the most important part, that is a TSA lock actually. Okay, so you might have seen the many luggages it was mentioning TSA lock, and what exactly is TSA lock? So let me lock it actually. You have to just push it here. The next one also you have to push it here. Okay, and so if we change the number and all, so it won't open actually. This is locked actually. So this is a TSA lock. Whenever it comes to you, it will be the default setting will be code will be 000. So now I put 000 and I just press here. See, it's very simple. The significance of TSA lock is when you are on international travel, even the airport authorities, after you check in, the bag goes to the luggage section. There, if they found anything suspicious or something, if TSA lock is there, they already have a key for this thing. They will open it and see it, and then they will lock it back actually. But if the luggage is not having TSA lock, they break the lock and all those stuff, it might get your thing damaged. So TSA lock is a very good thing. Airport authorities have the unlocking device, they will lock it and do that thing actually. Now let's open and see how the compartments are. Okay, so you can see how smooth the zip is going actually. It's very smooth. Okay, no like obstruction or no jerky feelings are there. It goes very smooth, and here it opens actually. Okay, I will show you very clearly. See, there is a good amount of space, you can list large amount of space, I can say that. Or inside that you can you will get a instruction sheet how to change the TSA lock. Obviously I will explaining it in a video description, or in this video itself I will tell you how to set this thing. First you have to like that, everything I will explain you in detail. It's a very simple procedure, they already mentioned here. And you can see the space is quite higher and quite good also. And here, so there is another compartment. Once you close it, you can put other things there actually. So let me open it and show you. See, so very big compartment, you can put everything over there. Okay, and overall this premium feel, the sturdiness, the quality of this bag, I felt it is amazing product, and in a very good discount now. The Prime Day offers are going on. So please check in the video description, I have provided the link. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase this particular luggage for your international travel. And one more thing, different sizes are available. You have to check which airline you are traveling and how they are allocating the spaces actually. Okay, so on an economical point of view, it's very affordable. Quality point of view, it's really good. And even the like international acceptance like TSA lock and international warranty, the third thing, of course it's a ultimate product which I can say to you actually. Okay, so definitely you can have a look on this particular product. This is how its overall looks, how it looks like, you can see that. Okay, and do check out the video description, there will be important travel accessories for your like traveling life, I have put over there, you can check it out. And overall it's a great product, good looking product. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.